Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Finding the area of region R is super fast if you know your integrals. Let's solve this calculus problem together right now. Watch this. First, we look at the graph and integrate with respect to x. Since the region starts at x equals 1 and ends at e squared, integral 1 is definitely correct here. Next, we try integrating with respect to y from 0 to 2. We must subtract the left curve from the right boundary, which gives us the integral of e squared minus e. Integral 3 is also correct for the area. Since both 1 and 3 work, option D is the final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps for option D.